everyone, this is Ashley Deneen. It's been a while since I've been on. I'll have some videos coming up soon. We'll talk about some up-to-date things on what's been going on, so why I've been missing. I just graduated and I'm just getting some things going, some new things that I'm getting my feet into. I'm in the process of starting another business, and I'm getting ready to move. Got this wig, and let me first say that I bought this wig with my own money. Oh, they gave me some lashes too. They gave me some charms too. Look, they gave me some charms. I sure did think about putting some in my braids. Since I cut my hair off, I didn't have a need for my shells and my gems and all of that, so I put them up, but I found them. But these will work too. Thank you. Okay, so here's what the wig looks like. It looks good. It looks good. Yeah, this net had me a little confused a minute. I thought that was the braids looking old. But yeah, it has a net. It says this is 31 inches. I'm gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna do a trial and error, then I'm gonna come back, because I'm not one of those people who like to wear the melted cap down, because at the end of the day, when I'm off of work, I'm ready to take my wig off and scratch my head, period. And here's the packaging they put on it to their store. And I got this off Amazon, you guys. So gonna try this. It's not looking right, so I'm just gonna melt the lace. did good. I cut them down. They were too much. Like, I don't have that much baby hair in real life, you know. So, you don't like it? Okay, y'all, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my first time ever doing this. I'm not a big fan of the baby hair, so I'm not really good at it, but I'll play with it a little bit more. I really do like it. I mean, I've always wanted to get my hair braided this small, but I've always been scared of the edges coming out, of the edges coming out, of the edges coming out. I like this unit a lot. So just make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I have some new content that I want to share with you guys and some things that I've been working on. So until next time, as I always say, peace and blessings upon you all. Please stay safe. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and may the Lord protect you from all the dangers seen and unseen. So until next time, you all, bye.